Super Kilometer filter presents an odometer blocker for the Maserati Grecale. After installing the device, you will see some error messages on the speedometer panel. To delete it, you need to activate the device by pressing the OK button 5 times, then deactivate it again with the same combination. Turn off the engine and lock the vehicle for 30 minutes. As you can see, all error messages are gone. Now it's time for a test drive. With the odometer freeze activated, the odometer won't count the distance when driving. It can be activated and deactivated at any time. Super Kilometer filter, ride without limits.